In this video, let us explore how you can maximize the potential of your floor settings. For example, let's say you have received both the floor finishes setting plan and the ceiling setting plan, and you wish to measure them together. In this case, reuse the floor finishes data that you have already captured for the ceiling finishes can save you significant times and efforts. To do this effectively and avoid confusions, these are the two practical approaches. Let us take a look on the first approach. Step 1. Create extra floors. Begin by going to the floor settings and creating an additional floor for each levels. Next, rename the existing floor for easy categorizations. For example, first floor can become the first floor floor finishes. The additional floors that we have just created will then be renamed as first floor ceiling finishes. Step 2. Copy entities. After you have prepared your floors, copy the floor finishes entity to the new first floor ceiling finishes. Step 3. Relocate drawings. Adjust the positions of your ceiling finishes drawings based on the floor finishes entities. This is a case-by-case task. For these examples, you may relocate to the edge of one of the entities. For high-rise projects, it is best to relocate entities to the lift core area, as this part is always stay consistent across the floors. Step 4. Rename the entities. To speed up the renaming process and ensure we have renamed the entities correctly, we may activate the entity display setting and select the name display for area types entities. After that, select the entity that you wish to rename and rename it accordingly. Kindly take note that entities must be selected in order to rename it. For the second approach, we can copy the entities and paste it sideways from the existing areas. Once the step is done, we may relocate the imported and scaled ceiling finishes plan to the new locations. After that, rename the floor finishes to ceiling finishes name accordingly. With this approach, it can save you some time from creating a new floor levels and in the same time avoiding the confusions of having two entities in the same locations.